Have you ever wondered if a smaller AI model could compete with giant models like DeepSeek, Qwen, or GLM without requiring massive resources? Well, Tencent believes it can. Today, we're taking a hands-on look at Tencent Hy3, the newly released open-source AI model that is generating serious attention in the AI community. According to Tencent, Hy3 delivers flagship-level performance while operating with significantly fewer active parameters, making it one of the most cost-effective AI models released in 2026. In this video, I'll show you what Hy3 is, test it with real-world prompts, examine its coding and reasoning capabilities, discuss pricing, and see whether it truly deserves the hype. Let's get started. Tencent officially launched Hy3 on July 6, 2026. Hy3 is a next-generation mixture of experts AI model designed to combine both fast and deep reasoning. Here are the core specifications: 295 billion total parameters, 21 billion active parameters, massive 256K context window, Apache 2.0 open-source license, commercial use allowed, available through OpenRouter and multiple AI platforms. What makes Hy3 particularly interesting is that Tencent claims it can compete with much larger models despite using significantly fewer active parameters. This means developers may get high-end performance without paying premium costs. Testing Hy3 is surprisingly simple. You can access it through OpenRouter using the official model endpoint. Simply open the platform, select Tencent Hy3, and start chatting immediately. No complicated setup is required. For developers, Hy3 is also available through Tencent Cloud APIs, Hugging Face, GitHub repositories, and Model Scope. This makes deployment much easier for both individuals and businesses. For our first test, let's evaluate reasoning ability. Prompt: a company has 3 projects and limited resources. Create an optimal allocation strategy while maximizing profitability and minimizing operational risk. Most AI models can provide generic answers. What impressed me with Hy3 was how it broke down the problem into multiple decision layers. Instead of jumping directly to conclusions, it evaluated resource allocation, risk assessment, expected returns, strategic trade-offs, alternative scenarios. The response felt structured and business-oriented rather than simply descriptive. This type of reasoning is especially useful for consulting, planning, and decision-making tasks. One area Tencent specifically improved is code generation. Let's test that. Create a modern, responsive landing page for an AI SaaS product using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hy3 generated clean HTML structure, responsive CSS design, interactive buttons, mobile-friendly layout, professional UI sections. The code organization was impressive and required minimal cleanup. For developers building prototypes, dashboards, and startup websites, this level of output can save considerable development time. This explains why Tencent highlights software development as one of Hy3's strongest categories. Modern AI is moving beyond chatbots. Agent capabilities are becoming increasingly important. So I tested Hy3 with a multi-step task. Act as a business analyst. Research a SaaS startup idea, create a business plan, generate marketing recommendations, and build a launch roadmap. Hy3 handled the workflow surprisingly well. Instead of treating each step independently, it maintained context throughout the entire process. The output included market analysis, competitive positioning, revenue model suggestions, marketing strategy, launch timeline, growth recommendations. This demonstrates why Tencent is emphasizing Hy3's agent capabilities. Several factors make Hy3 stand out. 1. Strong performance. Tencent claims Hy3 can compete with much larger flagship models despite its smaller active parameter count. That is a significant achievement if sustained across real-world workloads. 2. Massive context window. The 256K context window allows users to work with extremely large documents, code bases, reports, and datasets. This is valuable for enterprise users and researchers. 3. Open source freedom. Unlike many proprietary AI systems, Hy3 uses the Apache 2.0 license. Developers can download, modify, deploy, and commercialize applications without restrictive licensing concerns. 4. Cost efficiency. One of the biggest advantages is pricing. Hy3 was designed to deliver enterprise-level performance while maintaining low operating costs. For startups and developers managing AI expenses, this can be a major benefit. After testing Hy3, I see several strong use cases: generating code, debugging, and building prototypes, creating reports, financial planning, and market research, handling complex multi-step workflows, writing articles, scripts, documentation, and research summaries, managing internal workflows and productivity tasks. These are areas where strong reasoning and long context processing matter significantly. Tencent's Hy3 represents one of the most interesting AI releases of 2026. It combines strong reasoning, coding ability, agent capabilities, open source accessibility, and cost efficiency into a single package. After testing it, I can see why developers are paying attention. While it may not replace every flagship model overnight, it certainly proves that smaller and more efficient architectures can deliver surprisingly powerful results. If you're a developer, AI enthusiast, startup founder, or someone building AI applications, Hy3 is definitely worth exploring. The official links will be available in the description below, so you can test it yourself and compare the results with your favorite AI models. What do you think about Tencent Hy3? Do you believe open-source AI models can compete with the biggest proprietary systems? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews, tutorials, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.